now to say which is actually the dearer side. And it was, give me a drum roll. I'll probably put that in now. And it is side B. So this side is worth £230. Yeah. And this side is the £67. I'm going to run through things and tell you exactly which products I used. The foundation. That's this side, and I do love this foundation for going out. And my other one is my True Match, but I always use. Yeah, so I'll put them on each side. So those were the foundations, $33.50 or $9.99. And you get these on 2 for 3. That wouldn't be a good deal. Okay, sorry. You get these for 3 for 2, so you're getting it for 1 free each time. Next is my cream contour. This is £42 and this one is £5. And I do prefer this one. For powder contour, I use my Norma Hoola Benefit bronzer, and then I use Made that for this side. This again, very light. I didn't really notice much, and I had to keep on going into it quite a bit. Whereas this, I love it, use it all the time, every single video, it's amazing. Base, this is where it is shocking. Base from L'Oreal, £9. It's brilliant. Or there's this, and it is £39. I got this for Christmas. I absolutely love it, but I wasn't expecting, whenever I was looking up the prices for this video, for it to be £39. If I had to pick between these two, £10 or £3 to £4, it would be this one, and not because of the price. Look at the difference in size. My brows is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. It's in chocolate, or my Brow This Way in dark brown. This one is £19 and this is £5. And as you guys already know, I mean, if I've had this sitting in my cupboard but I use this in every single video, you know which ones I would stick with. The cheap side is £8 and the dear side is my Lick and Lash palette. And as I said, you get how many? 35 eyeshadows for £15. So the Kat Von D lip one versus my Rimmel one. So I really like both. I tested them both out and they're really nice. Yes, I don't know how to choose between these. So they're slightly different reds though, so maybe I don't have to choose. Okay. Yeah, my highlight, I only needed a little few ones of that, and there it is. And this one I did need to go over quite a lot. Powders, so for the powders, it is my RCMA No Colour powder versus the Barry M, my No Colour powder. Barry M. Can you see how much is coming out? So £230, £67, both look very similar. Yeah, they both look exactly the same. Thanks everyone, see you next week.